Whiskers, Whiskers, Baby J. You two are some of the lazy. Hey, why do you do that? Hi guys, it's Crystal, and today we're going to do this gorgeous lace love nails. I've wanted to use this design since I got this stamping plate, and this gradient with it is just fire. I am in love with these. To start off, I'm using my Ready for Takeoff Peel Off Base Coat from Unt. I'm doing this because I'm not going to wear these for more than a day or so. I have a lot of swatching I want to catch up on that's just really been sitting around the house, and I'm actually fixing to put together my other nail polish shelves because my first one is overflowing and I need the other 3 that I started building months ago. For my base color, I'm using Diamond from Damn Nail Polish. I love this silver hollow. It's not just like a flat silver linear hollow, it's a silver linear hollow, and then it's got slightly larger hexagonal hollow bits in it that are freaking gorgeous and just set it off. And actually, when I got the pink that I pair with this in the gradient, I wanted to do a gradient with this color, and I tried like 5 different styles of mount before I decided on this vertical one. To protect my cuticles, I'm using my Control Alt Delete Latex Barrier from Glisten and Glow. I know I've been using a lot of random latex barriers, but I've pretty much been using just whatever comes to hand at the time, guys. Like, if my Edge Perfection is closest, I grab it. If my Simply Peel is closest, I grab it. The only one I'm out of right now is my lace from Twinkle Tea, but I'm actually going to buy some more of that this week when I stock up on stamping polishes too. To combine with the diamond, I'm using Sultry Smile from Damn Nail Polish. This is actually only available through, I think, tomorrow from the Hollow Maniacs group. It's a custom polish for that Facebook group. So if you want to check it out, I'll link the blog post with all the details in the description box. To do the vertical gradient, I didn't use a gradient brush this time. I went in just over the diamond and I did a layer of Sultry Smile, kind of brushing it as you see on each side. And then I took the diamond over the top in the middle to blend it a little bit. And then I kind of took Sultry Smile a little more on the sides to make sure the diamond didn't look like it was just stuck over the polish, just give it a little more of a blend, and it turned out really amazingly. And I really, really loved it. Like, I cannot tell you how beyond in love with this gradient I was. And I have 4 or 5 of these gradients on swatch sticks. I did vertical ones, I did horizontal ones, I did some reciprocal gradients with these colors, and this one just I kept coming back to this kind of gradient, and I loved it, and I couldn't get my mind off using it for something. So I decided to pair it with the stamping image I'd been wanting to use forever and do just cute little lace nails. Once I peeled off my cuticle protector, which I had a hard time with there as you saw, I went and did some cleanup with my number 2 cleanup brush from Twinkle Tea. I don't know why, but my cuticle barrier was giving me a run for my money. Once it was all cleaned up, I went in with some more cuticle barrier. Usually I will put a layer of top coat down over gradients to protect them when stamping. I haven't been doing that lately. I don't know why. For the stamping image, I'm using one off the B004 Seductive Lace plate from What's Up Nails. I'm using my extra large stainless steel stamper from Twinkle Tea, which has the big squishy top, which is my favorite. It picks up so smoothly. And my Vibin Stampin' Polish from Twinkle Tea, which is my favorite stamping polish. I love Twinkle Tea stamping polishes. They're all really smooth and amazing. And here I kind of messed up there and had to run over that image twice. But I got it all in. It was all covered and good. I'm only showing putting this down on my middle finger, which is the one I normally film, but for each of the fingers what I did was I kind of rotated where the lace image was and kind of twisted it around so that it looked kind of like a piece of lace flowing over all the nails, not just like one uniform image. I love to do that with lace patterns. I always do. Then I peeled off my cuticle protector again and went in with my top coat. Top coat all the way. I actually was so afraid I was going to smear this because when I went in with my top coat, I forgot to float the top coat, which is where you put like a little extra on the brush and make sure it's not scraping the brush against the polish, because usually that causes streaks. But for some reason, I managed to do it without floating it and not get streaks. I was so excited. Once you've done all this and you've rotated those images, done them differently on each nail, you have this gorgeous look with these beautiful lace nails. And I can't even, I'm so in love with these, I can't help it. I wish I could wear them longer, but I just have so much other stuff I need to get done. I don't know, I'm just gonna have to deal with wearing them a day or two. Maybe I'll do them in a different color later and wear that again. As usual, all the items will be linked in the description box. I hope you like this. If you did, give it that big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more fun stuff and tutorials. And I'll see you guys next time.